If you're wondering what the best backpack for nursing school is, you are in the right place because I am going to tell you. My name is Nicole Whitworth. I am the founder of Your Nursing Tutor, and I help nursing school students get through nursing school confidently and calmly without going crazy. And I also want to help you save your back because we all know that your back is going to be in danger when you're in a nurse anyway. So we want to make sure that we're taking care of your body now in nursing school, in addition to later on when you become a nurse. So that is why when I recommend the best backpack for nursing students, I always recommend that you get a rolling backpack. Okay, I know it says backpack, but still, rolling backpacks are still backpacks. So definitely get one with wheels. It's a no-brainer. Okay, when I was back in nursing school, that's what I did. I was so thankful because this is just one of your nursing textbooks. Okay, and you're gonna have to carry around multiple of those, plus possibly an NCLEX review book and any other supplies. You definitely do not want to be hauling them around on your back all day, or even just going from the car to your class and back. But rolling backpacks can vary greatly in price. So today I'm going to review two common brands that I just ordered right off of Amazon and tell you what I like and dislike about them so that you can make a decision for which type of rolling backpack would be best for you in nursing school. First of all, let me talk about price. So I got Targus and I got JanSport. So both of them are pretty well-known brands, although I would say that JanSport probably, well, not probably, they're the most well-known when it comes to backpacks and things like that. They've been around a long time. They're a very solid brand, but they can sometimes be a little more expensive. However, when you're looking on Amazon, the prices can vary widely. So I will just give you an example. When I ordered these, the Targus backpack was $75 and this JanSport backpack in navy blue was $110. And the navy blue one was the cheapest of the different styles that they had available for this particular type of rolling backpack. However, when I checked the prices today, right before recording this video, the Targus was up to about $80, which is still pretty much, pretty close to what I paid. But this JanSport one had jumped all the way up to $170. So that's a full $60 more than what I had paid for it when I purchased. However, there was a different style that had a pattern on it that only cost $80. Now that price was definitely not available when I ordered, otherwise I would have ordered that one. But that makes the JanSport in that different style would be comparable to the price I paid for the Targus. So definitely do some price shopping. If you're not in a hurry to get the backpack, then you might want to just watch it over the course of a week and see if the prices change for you. So on to the features though. Both of these are laptop type. They have a place for laptops and I'll show that to you. Before we get inside, let me show you some of the outside features. So first of all is the wheels. You're gonna get a lot of wear and tear. I know by the end of nursing school, I could definitely see the wear on the wheels of my old JanSport, which I don't have anymore, but because it's been many, many years since I got out of nursing school. But I will say there is a significant difference I can see in the quality of the wheels between the Targus and the JanSport. So the JanSport looks like it has, I think that's like a rubber, but it's like a really looks durable and it's kind of like has the texture of a wheel. Whereas the Targus is also like it looks like it'll be durable, but it doesn't have the texture. It looks to me like it might not hold up to the wear and tear as much just from looking. Plus it's a little bit smaller. So it looks like the JanSport is going to roll a lot better over the long term. Plus this one you see kind of rolls easy, whereas the JanSport, the wheel just kind of stops as it doesn't keep going and spinning after I spin it. Now, both of them, if for some reason you do want to risk your back, both of them do have back shoulder straps that you can use. Now, they each have different features though. The JanSport has this little connector where, because the one, my old JanSport didn't have this feature. And so what I found is that over the years of using it, the straps from this would kind of hang on the ground and drag and get tore up. But what they have on this feature is it just unsnaps and then they have a little pocket here that you can just slide these into. So if you don't want to use the backpack straps and you know you're not going to, you can easily just tuck them away and they'll be safe and you won't have to worry about the wear and tear on them. Now the Targus doesn't have that. They have another kind of neat feature where these are out all the time, and they also see they have this, it's going to drag on the floor. So that's kind of annoying. But if you want to wear it on your back, they have this little flap that you can take down and put back here that covers up the wheels. So, you know, you have the wheels that have been dragging on the dirty hospital floor during clinicals, and you want to wear it on your back, then this covers it up so you're not getting the dirty wheels on the back of your scrubs. So that's kind of nice too, especially if you have to wear white scrubs. So that's kind of one different feature that you want to be aware of. Now, of course, we all want to make sure that this part works. This is what we're going to be holding. Now, this is kind of a downside. I think the Targus one, the very first time I pulled it out, I can't get it back down. So it pulled out easy, but I can't get it back down. I think this one might be defective. So if I were going to choose this one to keep, then I would definitely return it and get a different one. But if I reach in here, I can feel through the lining where the catch is that is supposed to make it go down. And just for some reason, it doesn't catch when I push that button. So I have to do it manually. I don't think that's the way it's designed. I think this one might be defective. So if you choose the Targus and that happens to you, then I would definitely try returning it and getting another one. The JanSport, on the other hand, I had no problems with. It's about the same height, and you just push the button and it slid right back down. I had no problems with the JanSport mechanism whatsoever. Now, one of the things I did like about the Targus better than the JanSport is they have lots of little nook and cranny pockets, okay? I am huge on organization when it comes to pockets. It has a nice place that you can put a water bottle on one side. On the other side, there's a pocket that you can put, you know, anything you want. It's kind of mesh too, so it's breathable. I'm not sure why you would need it to be breathable, but there it is. Put your dirty socks, I guess. I don't know. And it's got inside the front pocket, there's some little mesh pockets. There's place for, I guess you can put your phone in here and it kind of holds it in with the strap. It's got a spot for pens. Lots of little nook and crannies, like I said, where you can store school supplies, wallets, phones, things like that. It also has a nice zipper pocket up here. You can store some extra pens, feminine supplies, whatever you need. And then you got the main pocket, which even in here is nice. It has something you can fold your textbooks down. Honestly, I don't think I've ever used that in my life, but if you do, it's there. And then it's got a place for your laptop on the front and an additional pocket that you could put, I think, like a notebook or something, or maybe that's for the power cord. I don't know. I suppose you could use that for the power cord. Now I will show you how much it fits. This is the biggest laptop I have. It says it's a 15, it can fit up to a 15-inch laptop. And this one is, I think, a 14-inch long, and it fits real easy. It fit in really easy. There's plenty of space to zip it up, no problems whatsoever. Now let's see, I'm going to show you how many books we can fit in, because that's one thing too, is that it does look, you can see it's a little bit shorter than the JanSport. So I'm just going to show you how many books I can fit in here. I'm going to do my maternal child nursing care. Just stick that in. I'm going to do my med-surg book. Okay. And that's pretty full. So my pharmacology book, I don't think I'm going to be able to get my pharmacology book in here. No, definitely not. I might be able to slip like a thin notebook in here still, but that's about all I'm going to get. So that is the Targus. And I will say too that up here, there's no shell on the sides. There's just a firm shell on the back that kind of goes up to the top. So if that's important to you, that's different than the JanSport. The JanSport has a shell that goes partly down the side, so it feels a little bit more sturdy up here than the Targus does. So I'll pull this out, and then I'm going to show you how everything fits in the JanSport. One thing I was just a little disappointed with the JanSport is I felt like they could have had more pockets like the Targus did, but they do have a spot on the side for like a water bottle. Nothing on the others on this side. The front pockets, there's a little one up here that is actually kind of long. It's deceptively long. It goes all the way down to the bottom seam. And then this front pocket here opens up. But there's no place for like pens or anything like that. But there are these two pocket spots that I suppose you could put a phone and maybe your keys or something. There, actually, you know what? They have this little thing here that I bet would be perfect for keys. If you just, because if you're like me and they kind of get thrown in and lost. So, but you would definitely, if you had like a lot of school supplies, you would want a pencil bag or something and then just throw the pencil bag in there versus throwing the school supplies in there by themselves. This is really not any organization. Okay, and then they have a second zipper area that is just, there's no sectioning off of this. It's just another pocket. So you could, put, probably, I would think this would be a good place to put your notebooks or binders or, your own materials that you're going to be taking notes in. So it's like, got a little bit of space there, but not too much for like a textbook, especially not a thick nursing textbook. And then this is the main area that has the, there we go, that also has the place for your laptop in the front here. And it's nice and padded. Both of them were padded. I don't think I mentioned that for the Target. This is also supposed to be a 15-inch thing for the laptop. And again, you can see it fits perfectly fine, but you can tell that there feels like there's a lot more space in here. It's definitely sturdier on the back. Like it's standing up on its own for that. So let's see how many books we can fit in here. Oh, I just landed on my finger. You know how that hurts. Okay, so I've got 2 books in there. Let's see. I don't know if I can fit my, yeah, actually I can. If I wasn't bringing my laptop, this would be easier, but even with my laptop in here, I can definitely fit all 3 of those big nursing textbooks in here. And there's still plenty of room on top. So if I had anything little, like my lunch that I wanted to throw in on top, I could totally do that. There's plenty of room. And there it is. It's still zipped up. And that doesn't even, and you can see how much further out it goes. So you definitely would not want to wear this on your back. Okay, so just tuck those straps in the back and just plan on rolling it. But that's basically the JanSport. So what's my conclusion? Which one would I pick if I was going back to nursing school again? I think, especially if they were the same price, I would hands down go with the JanSport, because even though it doesn't have all the extra little nooks and crannies that the Targus had, it does feel like it's a little bit better quality in terms of the material it's made with, the fact that I didn't have any problems with the handle, whereas I had that problem on the handle that seems like it might be defective. And also JanSport comes with a lifetime warranty. So I've never used it before on my old one, but I've been told that it doesn't matter how long you've had it, when it wears out, you let them know and they will replace it for you. So I feel like it's a good investment. Even if I couldn't find a style of JanSport that had a comparable price to the Targus, I think I would be willing to pay as much as $50 extra on top of the Targus for the quality that the JanSport offers. So I hope that was helpful to you. If you would like some other tips for nursing school, getting ready, going through nursing school, getting study help from a professional tutor of over 12 plus years, that would be me, then I would love it if you follow my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my podcast. And if you go to yournursingtutor.com, I always got some freebies available to help you and support you through becoming an amazing nurse that you know that you are capable of becoming. So I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.